Well, good morning. It is a quiet morning as you look outside on our Syntex Roof Systems camera at the Killeen Regional Airport. Just a couple of high clouds dotting the landscape there, making for a pretty sunrise, 72 degrees there. And you notice the wind just a little more stirred up today. That will be increasing here today. And while yesterday we woke up to a couple of thunderstorms in parts of our area, today not the case. The radar beam being bent, though, and that is showing something on radar as it's hitting that warmer air in the lower levels of the atmosphere. That makes it reflect down the ground. And in this case, that's giving us a good view at those wind farms out there in Mills County, which will be working stronger here today as those south winds kick up. Despite that, don't expect a huge change in temperatures. We'll be in the mid-70s to start the day, upper 80s coming up by noon with feel like temperatures around 95 and late this afternoon, low to mid-90s, but feeling like 102. The difference between today and yesterday is yesterday, while we didn't have much wind to cool us off, today we'll have the wind around, and that will, when you sweat, allow you to cool off just a little bit more. Still, it'll feel warm and muggy as temperatures feel like they're in the triple digits. Here's where they're heading by late afternoon in your neighborhood, though. 94 in West today. We'll call for 94 in China Spring, 93 in Hewitt, 94 also in Robinson, down to Bell County, 93 in Temple, 94 in Belton, 95 Harker Heights, 94 in Salado, 94 in Holland, and across the rest of Central Texas. Low to mid-90s, still holding on. And again, the wind will be a little stronger. There is a small isolated shot in a shower in the Brazos Valley, but it's a very small chance. The bigger thing that everyone will be dealing with are those warm temperatures that'll feel like 100 to 105 when you factor in that humidity. So again, heat precautions, plenty of water. Try to limit that time outside if you can. Now, future track shows you that wind hanging around here today. Again, we could see gusts around 25 miles per hour, temperatures in the mid-90s, and yeah, maybe an isolated shower out of the Brazos Valley, but it's a small chance. Tomorrow, we'll actually watch a cold front get parked to our north, and that may trigger an isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon. If that happens, the best chance will likely be just to our north, but we'll monitor it. About 20% chance of rain during the day and a 30% chance in the evening. And then on Thursday, with that front still hanging around close to us, maybe an isolated chance of showers and thunderstorms. High pressures to our west now. That's what's going to allow that little small chance of thunderstorms to work in. Then that moves over us here for the last few days of the work week, which means hot temperatures work in, and then it'll scoot east, which will open the door for those sea breeze showers again as we head into next week. And while we won't see a huge washout, we'll have the daily chance of a couple of cooling showers in the afternoon. 94 today, 93 tomorrow, 93 on Thursday with those small chances of storms hanging around. Summer begins on Friday at 95, and then temperatures actually cool as we head into that first week of summer. 20% chances of showers and thunderstorms Sunday through Thursday in the Brazos Valley. More of the same. Temperatures still hanging around the low to mid-90s. We'll get those storm chances next week.